Today I'm taking you along with me as I paint this little romantic piece. This is just a chill little vlog, so not much talking. I really hope that you enjoy a cozy time painting with me and feeling the love in the air, as the theme today is very romantic. I was inspired a lot by the Pre Raphaelite love paintings, especially one of the most favorite paintings that painted by Sir Frank Dixie here. I really love this, and it always feels like they capture a moment frozen in time, full of love and longing. I started this one more slowly than usual. I have been learning that taking time to build a strong foundation, pay attention to the right lighting and proportion really help in the long run. It makes the later stages so much smoother and less stressful. This first layer is all about laying that groundwork, getting the shape in place, locking in light and shadow, and setting up the values that everything else will sit on. As I moved into the next layers, I kept reminding myself to be intentional with every brushstroke. I tried to paint more boldly, using thick paint, and tried not to over detailing. It's so easy to fall into chasing perfection, like overblending, adding too many details, and suddenly the painting starts to lose its spirit. I wanted to keep that sense of personality in the brushwork and keep the paint vibrant by not blending too much on the canvas. I learned to be more patient and slowly fill in step by step and just simply trust the process.
Hold on tight, there's a storm standing in the eye. When it rains, it pours, and you sure know how to make me cry. Thank God for the moon and how she lights up the sky too. Now still your good. If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted